Eye makeup is one of the most versatile ways through which you can express yourself, especially when it comes to those never-ending wedding functions that may sometimes need a bit of bling. We're going to introduce to you 3 easy yet eye-catching looks that you can flaunt with pride at the next wedding function you attend. Red and copper shades scream wedding and all things festive. This look can perfectly complement your rich embroidered lehengas and crisp silk saris. All you need for this look is a warm-toned eyeshadow palette with gilded gold shades. Start by packing on a red shade into the outer crease and inner corner of your eye. Blend these out while making sure the center of your eyelid remains bare. Apply a dark brown shade to your waterline using a pencil to add some definition to the eyeshadow look. Blend it out to create a smoky effect. Apply a gold shade to the center of your eyelid with a damp, flat brush. This will help brighten the intensity of the eyeshadow. Blend out the gold eyeshadow for a seamless transition between the 2 shades. Add a pop of it onto your lower lash line as well. Finish off the look with a generous coat of mascara. You could also finish off with some falsies to amp up the drama. This cut crease eyeshadow look can be replicated with any color you choose. I've picked a super fun lavender and colored glitter combination. Start with applying a medium purple shade in the outer crease of your eye. This will be your transition shade. It helps act as a base color to build your eye look on. Go in with a deep purple shade in your crease to build up depth and build the gradient in your crease. Next, take a concealer in a light shade and use it to draw a semicircular shape in the inner corner of your eye. This works great for hooded eyelids as well. Set the concealer with a white eyeshadow. This will help keep your look smooth and avoid creasing. Add some glitter to the look with some colorful lavender shimmer in the center of the eye. This will help blend the edges of your white with your deep purple crease. Add some purple to your lower lash line. This will help you add definition and add a finishing touch to your look. A pop of glitter in the inner corner of your eye for bright and beautiful eyes. Follow it up with a bold winged liner to add definition to the eye look. Finish off with a fluttering coat of mascara and you're ready to be the star wherever you go. This silver grey smoky eye is perfect for everyone with cool toned outfits this festive season. This versatile look can be paired with Western looks as well. First things first, set down a layer of loose powder under your eyes to catch any excess fallout and prevent muddying your base makeup. Use a black eye pencil and draw a rough line near the outer corner of your eye. Blend it outwards and into your crease using a fluffy brush. Make sure not to leave any harsh lines in this step. Add a deep shimmery grey shade to the inner corner of your eye and blend it outwards to the center of your eyelid as well. Next, go in with a matte black eyeshadow in the outer crease of your eye. Blend it outwards in an elongated cat eye shape. Add a pop of glitter to the center of your eyelid. Use a light silver glitter shade here. This will help add a gradient to your look and help you beat that dreaded raccoon eye effect. Complete the glitter step with some eye-opening shimmer in the inner corner of your eye. Add some depth to your waterline using a black eye pencil. Blend this out with a small smudging brush. Finish off with a heavy coat of mascara for flirty and fluttery lashes that act as the perfect cherry on top. Expand your eye makeup horizons with these 3 festive looks that can bring your entire look to a whole new level. Let us know which was your favorite eye makeup look in the comments below, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.